Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi Bharani. Spinach is one such leafy vegetable which is liked or disliked by people. So today I'm going to show you an interesting chaat recipe which is easily available or commonly available on the streets of North India, which is Palak Chaat. I'm going to start with making the batter, for which I have a cup of gram flour here, 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Let's add in the seasoning ingredients. Half a teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of hing or Asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, pinch of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1 finely chopped green chilli. Let's mix all these ingredients and add some water in it to make a nice thick batter. Make sure there are no lumps. This is the consistency of the batter that I need. It's quite thick. It's thicker than the pakoda batter that we usually make. The batter is ready and now time to coat and fry the spinach leaves. I have some spinach leaves here that I've washed thoroughly, and make sure you pat dry them properly. And now I'm going to dip them in this batter. I've also kept some oil to heat. Coat the leaf with the batter. Fry it on medium-low heat. Flip them over. Once you get a golden brown color, let's get them out. Let's fry the remaining. The spinach leaves are fried, and what I'm going to do is I'm also going to drop just plain batter into the oil because I want some crunchies to garnish on top. So just take a spoon and just drop small droplets of the batter. The thing with this chaat is you have to plate it immediately. Let's take the spinach leaves, and I also have some topping ingredients. Let's sprinkle all the ingredients. So I have some boiled moong here, finely chopped onions, finely chopped tomatoes, some seasoning masalas, cumin seed powder, black salt, red chilli powder, some green chutney, some date and tamarind chutney, and some churned curd. Garnish with some save and some coriander leaves. A little bit of these crunchies that I fried, and this is ready. Trust me, this plate of chaat is going to end your craving. So definitely give this a try. Comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.